So have you heard about SpatialLM? It's this groundbreaking model that can process 3D point cloud data like no other.
Wait, hold on. A model for 3D data? That's fascinating. How does it even work?
Well, it can take unstructured data from things like monocular videos or LiDAR and turn it into structured 3D representations. Mind-blowing, right?
No way. That changes everything. It's like giving a voice to 3D environments. What kinds of applications can it handle?
Oh, wow. It's versatile. Think robotics, autonomous navigation, and anything that needs to understand 3D spaces better.
That's actually kind of scary but exciting. So it's breaking down complex scenes into understandable components?
Exactly. It identifies architectural elements like walls and doors, even bounding boxes for furniture.
That's wild. So it can pinpoint specific items in a space, like if I told it to find a bed or a sofa?
Yes, and it can even work with user-defined categories so you can specify what it should detect.
Wow, that's like teaching it to see based on our preferences. But how does it actually process the data?
It's fascinating. It maintains an axis-aligned orientation for consistency, which is crucial for interpreting different data sets.
That makes sense. Consistency is key. I wonder how it performs in real-world scenarios.
Incredible. They evaluated it with benchmark tests and compared it to other models. SpatialLM really shines there.
So it's not just about processing, it's about how well it performs against the competition.
Exactly. For example, in layout estimation, it scored an impressive 86.5 F1 score on a challenging dataset.
86.5. That's impressive. I can't wrap my head around how it's so much better.
Right? And they incorporated more advanced methods during training, which really makes a difference.
That's something I didn't expect. So it's like a mix of traditional techniques with new insights?
Yes, and it shows in its zero-shot detection capabilities, particularly in chaotic scenarios.
Zero-shot detection. So it adapts to new scenarios without extra training? That's game-changing.
Absolutely. It can recognize and categorize objects even in unfamiliar contexts.
Man, I can't believe how far we've come with AI. Where do they think this tech is headed?
They're aiming at real-time applications in dynamic environments, making robotics smarter.
So it's not just static environments, but full-on interactions. That's a whole new level.
Right? Imagine buildings adapting based on real-time analysis. It's like science fiction coming to life.
This is blowing my mind. I never thought about AI influencing 3D space this way.
Seriously, it reshapes our interaction with space. And think about urban planning or interior design.
Totally. They could optimize designs by analyzing the spaces before actual construction.
Exactly. It can simulate how spaces will look and feel based on varying parameters.
I can't believe this tech isn't mainstream yet. It's like a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered.
I know. The potential for innovation is huge. Just think of healthcare, too.
Healthcare. How does that fit into all of this?
Well, think about patient environments or surgical planning. 3D models can transform how we perceive spaces.
Got it. So it could ultimately lead to better patient outcomes by designing optimal spaces.
Exactly. Imagine custom designs for patient comfort or efficiency in hospitals.
The implications are massive. But how do we get it into the hands of more people?
That's the challenge. Building accessible tools and standardizing the tech for broader use is key.
You're right. And what do you think about privacy concerns with all this data collection?
A valid point. As with any powerful tech, ensuring privacy and ethical use is crucial.
Definitely. Balancing innovation while protecting personal space is vital.
So true. It'll be interesting to see how regulations catch up with these advancements.
Right? It's like they're always playing catch-up. But this tech really is a game changer.
Absolutely. The possibilities with SpatialLM are only beginning. I'm excited to see where it leads.
Amazed by how it's transforming 3D space and our lives. Can't wait to learn more.
For sure. This conversation has been super enlightening. I love uncovering this with you.
Same here. It's always a thrill to explore the future together and see what unfolds.